The Earth as a Type 2 civilization is an absolute must-visit destination for reincarnation. In about 10,000 years, Earth will achieve the status of a Type 2 civilization, also known as a stellar civilization. Humanity will construct a Dyson sphere around the Sun, capturing 100% of its radiant energy, meaning the entire solar system's energy will be at our disposal. We will no longer be confined to Earth. Instead, we will colonize Mars, the Moon, and the outer planets of the solar system, while conducting large-scale mining operations in the asteroid belt. This is the trailer for Earth Online 10,000 years from now. For a Type 2 Earth, the absolute first hallmark of its status will be the Dyson sphere. This is because the core definition of a Type 2 civilization isn't just having more advanced technology, but rather the ability to directly harness the energy of an entire star. To achieve this, the most classic and symbolic solution is the Dyson sphere. Strictly speaking, of course, a rigid, solid shell completely enclosing a star is highly unrealistic from an engineering standpoint. What is far more likely to emerge is a Dyson swarm, a network composed of countless solar-collecting satellites, reflective structures, and energy relay systems. But whether it is a sphere or a swarm, the essence remains the same. Humanity will begin to massively harvest the colossal amount of energy the Sun releases every second. Today, Earth only receives a minuscule fraction of solar radiation, while the Sun's true total energy output far exceeds the entirety of modern human civilization's needs. A Type I civilization might already be capable of deploying massive solar arrays in Earth's orbit, but for a Type 2 civilization, this will no longer be enough. I too won't be satisfied with merely catching a little sunlight near Earth. It will build energy harvesting structures directly around the Sun itself. Imagine the scene. One day in the future, the sparse around the Sun will no longer be limited to planetary orbits and scattered probes. Instead, it will be teeming with tens of thousands, millions, or even more artificial structures orbiting the star, collecting energy like a swarm of bees. By then, the Sun will no longer be just a natural star illuminating the Earth. IT will transform into the ultimate central power station for human civilization. But stellar energy alone isn't enough. The second hallmark of a Type 2 civilization will undoubtedly be large-scale colonization. Within the solar system, once you possess stellar-level energy, it becomes impossible to keep risking the entire fate of civilization on a single planet like Earth. The Moon will become a core hub for near-Earth industry and orbital construction. Its low-gravity environment makes it perfectly suited for rocket launches, manufacturing, and the assembly of massive structures. Consequently, much of the heavy industry that is unsuitable for Earth's surface will be relocated there. Mars, on the other hand, will become humanity's first true second world. IT will no longer be just a testing ground. Permanent cities, massive subterranean habitats, and domed agricultural zones will emerge. We might even begin terraforming the planet, a process that could last for hundreds or thousands of years. One of the most mind-boggling aspects of a Type 2 civilization is that it will initiate large-scale mining operations in the asteroid belt, a step that is almost inevitable. What is truly suited to support an era of megaprojects is the vast, compositionally diverse, and low-gravity resource pool of asteroids in our solar system. In the eyes of humanity today, the asteroid belt is still a distant and scattered cluster of celestial bodies. However, once we enter the Type 2 civilization phase, it will completely transform into something else. The ultimate mining zone for our civilization. Out there, you can find iron, nickel, cobalt, precious metals, rare elements, ice, and volatiles. Many resources that are expensive, scarce, and difficult to mine sustainably on Earth will become highly accessible for industrial use within the asteroid belt. You can think of it this way: if the Earth-era civilization developed by relying on terrestrial mines and oil fields, the Type 2 civilization will evolve by exploiting the entire asteroid belt. This shift will fundamentally alter the engineering scale of our civilization. So hang in there. Everyone just wait another 10,000 years or so, and we will finally get to witness this incredible spectacle.